If two intelligent people examine the same issue and reach opposite conclusions, is one of them wrong? As a student of information systems and technology, I used to believe the answer was yes. Logic should produce consistent results, data should reduce disagreement. But studying human cognition challenged that assumption. Disagreement is not always a failure of intelligence. It often reflects how our minds have been shaped. Research in cultural psychology shows that perception differs across societies. In many Western contexts, individuals are trained to isolate objects and analyze them independently, while in many East Asian contexts, individuals are trained to evaluate relationships and surrounding context before forming conclusions. This difference reflects cognitive training, not superiority. I recognized this during a university project. My team built an information system that functioned technically. The database was efficient, and the interface met requirements. Yet, users rejected it. The issue was not performance, it was context. We optimized structure, but failed to understand work culture and communication patterns. That experience reshaped my understanding of rationality. My thinking was not natural, it was trained. If perception is culturally shaped, then disagreement often reflects different cognitive priorities. In Indonesia, public discourse frequently becomes polarized. When people focus on different aspects of reality, object versus context, their conclusion naturally diverge. Instead of asking who is wrong, I began asking what framework shapes each conclusion, including my own. Another lesson concerns the subconscious. Many decisions are influenced by automatic processes from through habit and repeated exposure. These processes operate before deliberate reasoning begins. Viewed from this perspective, digital platforms are not natural environments. Infinite scrolling sustains attention. Personalized recommendation increase engagement. High contrast notification trigger immediate responses. These features align with subconscious mechanism. In Indonesia, emotionally provocative content spread faster than verified information because attention is captured before reflection occurs. This led me to a critical question. If technology interacts directly with subconscious processes, what responsibility do system designers carry? The final insight challenges the belief that intelligence is fixed. Cognitive development depends on environmental conditions, including education quality and access to information. Indonesia's unequal digital access limits learning opportunities and cognitive stimulation. If environments shape cognition, digital inequalities shape intellectual opportunity. At the beginning, I equated rationality with technical precision. Now, I understand that thinking is shaped by culture, subconscious processes, environment, and technology interacts with all three. As a feature information systems and technology professional, this redefined my role. I'm not only building systems that function, I'm contributing to systems that influence how people perceive information, from judgments, and develop intellectually. The essential question is no longer how we think, it is this. Now that we understand thinking is shaped, what kind of systems should we choose to build?